Badge taps in my palm, 8:12 on the clock. Stapler jars and paper dust, my name on every block. Screen glow on my face, spreadsheet rows go thin. The chair keeps squeaking back, like it knows what's in. I laugh too loud at a joke I missed. My hand won't stop tapping on my wrist. The folders lean like they're breathing now. I blink and the room starts bending out. Rain inside, on my desk, on my mind. Rain inside, I can't keep the light. Rain inside, paper tears I freeze. Rain inside, please don't look at me. The copier spits my report back wrong. A tiny red error keeps flashing too long. Janet from accounting says my name once sweet, but it comes through glass and it misses me. The blinds keep ticking like teeth in a jar. I taste my tongue and I taste the floor. I reach for air, find a meeting note. My pulse goes fast, then my whole chest goes cold. The room gets small, then far away, and every breath feels borrowed today.